Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now, you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. The whole and half dollar indicator highlights the most watched price levels in the market. The natural lines in the sand where traders expect price action to pause, reverse, or break with momentum. Lines are drawn automatically to mark each whole and half dollar price level across the chart. Whole dollar lines identify the key psychological levels that often act as support or resistance. Half dollar lines fill the space between, adding precision and creating a powerful framework for trading decisions. To keep these levels crystal clear, price labels are displayed on the right-hand side of the screen. Each label shows the exact price of its corresponding line, ensuring traders always have a clean view of where critical levels exist during fast-moving market conditions. Candlestick price action will commonly react to these whole and half dollar levels. These zones often create hesitation, reversal or breakout points, reflecting the natural behavior of buyers and sellers as they interact with these well-known price markers. The range of these levels extends $20 from the day's opening price, $10 above and $10 below. This keeps the chart focused on the most relevant area of price action, while avoiding unnecessary clutter. Behind the scenes, this indicator is powered by a straightforward formula. By default, it begins at the opening price of the day and draws horizontal lines at every 50-cent increment. The highest line is placed $10 above the open, and the lowest line is placed $10 below. These lines only appear during regular trading hours, ensuring the chart stays clean, efficient, and ready for action. The indicator also provides a way to customize the central price point during pre-market or when the stock is trading beyond the $10 price range in one direction. By entering the current price, a $20 range is created, ranging $10 above the current price and $10 below the current price. In addition, you can modify the style, color, and weight of each of the lines to make them unique. The whole and half dollar indicator is a powerful time-saving tool for day traders. It automatically draws whole and half dollar levels, whether from the session open or a custom reference, so you never have to mark them by hand. And when you switch symbols, the lines update instantly. Those levels represent key psychological thresholds where orders cluster, forming reliable support and resistance zones that sharpen entries, exits, and risk management. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools, and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.